Good morning, guys. What's up? It's Sean, Autotopia LA. Today we're gonna try something a little different. Paul and Kyle aren't here to shoot with me. They're usually the ones running cameras. So my buddy Chris back here and I are gonna shoot an episode with my iPhone only today. Yep, that's right. We're about to take Vicious out for a cruise. The car just had its motor rebuilt recently, so we gotta go easy on it, and we need to get some miles on it. So we're gonna run out and visit our friends at Petrolfest in West Hollywood and have a little fun in Vicious, man. Always a blast to drive this car, even when we gotta keep it under $4,000, which we will be doing today. But we're gonna do our best, man, see if we can make an episode happen with just my iPhone. So hold on, man, because here we go. So here we are, off and running in Vicious. Now, I warn you guys in advance, we have to keep the car under 4,000 RPMs. It is the new motor, or the rebuilt motor is currently in the break-in process, so we're not going to be pounding on it. So quick rundown for anyone that's not familiar yet with Vicious. If you're not familiar with Vicious, it just means you haven't been watching the channel. So here's a quick rundown for you. This is the $1 million Mustang. This car makes 1,003 horsepower at the rear wheels from a 5.1 Illuminator motor that's been fully rebuilt on the inside, forged internals, all the good stuff. It's twin turboed and supercharged, sequential 6-speed transmission that's air shifted via paddles. That's the quick for you. If you want to learn more about this car, go check out one of our earlier videos on Vicious. So this morning's about going for a cruise, doing a little break-in mileage, and, well, frankly, having a little bit of fun. All right, to give you guys a sense, that entrance was keeping it under 4,000 RPMs. Before we hit 6th gear, we're already at almost 90 miles an hour. And that's honestly under $4,000. So that's barely hitting this car, considering that it redlines somewhere in the neighborhood of 9,100 RPMs. It's pretty funny when you think about it. This is our version of a peaceful cruise in Vicious. You have to yell and scream for anybody to hear anything. I don't even know if Chris can hear me right now, can you? Barely. While we're at it today, we'll give you guys a little tour of Hollywood. We're just about to drop in. We'll be passing the Hollywood Bowl right here. We'll show you some more of the sights from the cockpit of Vicious Stay. Chris has promised me he's going to do a lot better than last time we drove into Hollywood. Last time, which does exist in a previous episode, we were just cruising through Beverly Hills on our way to Cars and Coffee. We're about to get at least a ticket. And Chris got a ticket at 80 miles an hour, actually 79 miles an hour in a 35. We're not doing that today. Oh yeah, nice and peaceful. That's a lot of really easy. Make no noise at all. We don't want the cops to know we're here, do we? Everyone loves Vicious, man. So that whining the turbos, it's not the supercharger, which a lot of people are mistaken by. It's actually the straight cut gears of that sequential transmission, which makes that great whine, especially up at the higher RPMs. It really screams.
In here?
Yep. And I'm guessing we go out to the back. Are we the only non-BMW? Setting off car alarms. We're headed out from Petrolfest. It was good to see some friends. Clyde, SMG, and Alex from Gintani, Matt Subi, and the crew. Sunset GT's going on right now. Typically they're not too welcoming to anything that's not an exotic, but we're about to see what happens here, see if they let us in. Alright, here's the guy approving or not approving of cars. What's your guess?
Not.
So like we predicted, we've been denied at Sunset GT. They don't know what to make of this. Well, I'm not going to talk bad. They just have no idea what to make of this.
They don't want built, not bought.
Right. So let me ask you, how many fucks do you have to give right now? 0?
I don't give a fuck.
Alright man, so that's it with West Hollywood for us. We're heading back out to the valley. We're about to go hook up with a buddy of ours, Chris Jacobs. You guys probably know him from Overhauling to Barrett Jackson to Long Lost Family. Chris is a good buddy, hardcore car guy. And we're on our way over to drop off a little care package of some vicious merch for him, because Chris likes to wear hats and Chris needs a vicious hat and a vicious t-shirt for sure.
I agree.
Plus, I don't know if he's ever seen this car other than at SEMA when it was unveiled a couple years ago. So, next stop, Chris Jacobs, man. Yeah, man! What's up, dude?
Hey, Chris, all right.
The best part of this car is you can hear it way before it gets here. I knew right when to come out.
Right?
Awesome, man. So bitchin', man. Oh, it's got a supercharger and turbochargers?
Correct.
Holy shit.
I've heard a compound charge.
I love
Why
it.
not? Just go completely nuts. It's okay.
Right?
take
Exactly, dude.
Hell yeah.
All right.
Thanks for coming by, you guys.
Thanks for having us.
See you, brother.
Appreciate it.
That was cool, huh? Friendly little visit with Chris.
Totally. Really enjoyed it.
You know, it's the first time Chris has seen this car other than when it unveiled at SEMA in 15, right?
16.
16, excuse me. Yeah, it's the first time Chris has seen the car outside of SEMA, and he was definitely digging on it. We handed off some vicious merch, so who knows, maybe somewhere along the way we'll see Chris wearing some vicious merch on one of his shows. All right, you guys, well, that's it for our Cruising Vicious this morning. It was a blast seeing the guys at Petrolfest. Kind of comical that we got denied by Sunset GT, but you know, that's to be expected. I mean, it has a Mustang. It doesn't have a prancing horse. It doesn't have a bull. So we're not exotic enough, which is just fine by me and Chris because, well, Vicious is possibly one of the most badass cars on the planet. Anyways, you guys, had a great time doing a little break-in mileage on the car, show you a little bit of Hollywood and West Hollywood and kind of just what it's like rolling along in this car. So hope you guys had a good time. As always, thanks for hanging and watching and supporting what we're up to here. Truly do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next episode. All right, man. Later.